Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to PharmaWiki YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to become drug inspector. Before going to the topic, please do share, subscribe and like our PharmaWiki YouTube channel. If you are visiting for the first time, please do subscribe for a great content in pharmacy subject. All you have to do is to watch this video from starting to ending to get how to become a great drug inspector these days. Drug inspector is a lucrative career option. This post is associated with good earning and reputation. State governments and central governments have exams from time to time to select the drug inspector post. Method of selection may vary. Sometimes it can be an exam, sometimes it will be an interview and combination of both. Okay, as per drug inspector notification, a couple of years experience in manufacturing or testing of Schedule C drugs is also required. To become drug inspector in India, all you need is a minimum degree qualification in pharmacy, medicine or microbiology. Minimum of 18 months of experience in manufacturing or analysis of Schedule C drugs like antibiotics, parenteral products. This is the most common criteria for drug inspector post. For few major, not too major, just minor variations will be there state-wise educational qualification difference. Maximum you need to have a degree and a little experience to apply for drug inspector post. Okay, let's see what is the salary of drug inspector. Yeah, people will always say unlimited money because they inspect every pharmacy or drugstore in his area. Jokes apart, guess what will be the salary of a drug inspector? It will be in the range about 55,000 to 65,000 Indian rupees per month. There will be annual increments and allowances, and this can be increased time to time. Now, let us see how should I prepare for drug inspector examination. You need to have a controlled and great grip on the pharmacy subjects, and from which year you need to start your drug inspector preparation. If you really have this doubt, you can really start the drug inspector preparation from third year itself, because most of the important syllabus related to the drug inspectors will find starting from the third year, or in some university you can say fifth semester, sixth semester, seventh semester and eighth semester. These 4 semesters and these last 2 years are crucial for preparing for drug inspectors. You can start your preparation according to your suitability also, and you can even find many offline and online coaching centers for drug inspector exam preparation. And people have a doubt of, are the Pharm D students are eligible for a drug inspector exam? Yes. A drug inspector after graduating a Pharm D is practically possible. All you need to do is to clear the state exams. Okay? And check the respective state exams, like if you are in Gujarat or any Andhra Pradesh or any Telangana, any Indian state, you need to know when the notification arrives and you have to fill up the application before the deadline and clear the theory exam and clear the interview also to become a drug inspector. How? And some people have a doubt that are the Farm Day students required 18 months of experience in manufacturing of Schedule C drugs for a drug inspector. And for your information, many states currently do not require any experience of a B pharmacy or D pharmacy to apply for a drug inspector post. If you see in examples of states like Bihar, Kerala, Assam, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, they really do not require any experience. But states like Goa, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh need specific years of manufacturing experience. Okay, so in the 79th meeting of Drug Technical Advisory Board, they decided to amend the Rule 49 and include qualification of Doctor of Pharmacy like PharmD in this drug inspector's post. Okay, which exam should I write to become a drug inspector? This is the question. I have already told you there will be state-wise examinations like APPSC, Telangana State Service Commission or Gujarat State Commission, Maharashtra State Commissions. These they will give you a notification to appear for drug inspector examination, and UCPSC, I mean central government, will also send you a notification for the whole India to apply for the drug inspector post. So all you have to do is to apply for this post. Okay, now let's discuss what is the role of a drug inspector in India. What I mean is, what does a DI do? What are the duties and responsibilities of drug inspector? Drug inspector inspects establishments where foods, drug, cosmetics and similar consumer items are manufactured, handled, stored to enforce legal standards of sanitation, purity and grading. These drug inspectors will also visit specified establishments to investigate sanitary conditions and health hygiene habits of persons handling consumer products. Drug inspectors will give the permissions for a drug store, pharmacy or any other chemical stores in a state. Drug inspector duties also include collecting samples of products for bacteriological and chemical laboratory analysis. Drug inspectors informs individual concerned of specific regulation affecting establishments, and they give the detailed reports on establishment visited, including the findings and recommendations for action. Questions the employees, vendors and consumers or other principals to obtain the evidence for prosecuting the violations. Drug inspector also destroys the subgrades or prohibits sales of impure, toxic, damaged or misbranded items. This is their prime duty. Drug inspectors negotiate with marketers and process to effect change in facilities and practices where undesirable conditions are discovered that are not specifically prohibited by law. And also may grade the products according to the specified standards. Okay, the drug inspectors may investigate compliance with or violation of public sanitation laws and regulations and be designated an sanitary inspector. Majorly, here they test the products using variety of specified test equipments such as ultraviolet lights and filtered guns, and also does the employee safety prosecutions. This is the role of a drug inspector. So this is all about drug inspector. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and wait for our next video. Bye bye.